Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that's all about keeping your beauty essentials organized while you're on the go. The SHANY Makeup Artist Soft Rolling Trolley Cosmetic Case in the Summer Orchid color. Whether you're a professional makeup artist or someone who just loves a little extra organization, this rolling travel bag might be your new best friend. Let's take a closer look at what it brings to the table. This rolling makeup bag is designed to be both practical and stylish, featuring a soft, wheeled trolley structure with a sturdy L-shaped handle for easy maneuverability. The exterior is water-resistant, meaning it's built to withstand a little bit of mess on your travels, which is definitely a plus. When fully expanded, this bag stands at 38 inches tall, plenty of room to store all your makeup essentials, brushes, powders, and sprays. Inside, the SHANY trolley doesn't disappoint. The weatherproof fabrics, both inside and out, ensure your beauty products stay safe, dry, and organized. It's equipped with dust and liquid-proof makeup trays, which is essential if you want to keep your products clean and safe during travel. There are also multiple storage compartments designed specifically for makeup brushes, powders, sprays, and even jewelry storage. Plus, the removable drawers make it super easy to organize and access all your items. Now let's talk about real-world usage. I've had the chance to test this bag, and one thing that really stood out is its versatility. As a beauty professional or someone who loves to keep their products well organized, you'll appreciate the design of the compartments, which make accessing everything easy and efficient. The trolley is stable when rolled, and the handle is adjustable, so you can customize it to your height for a comfortable grip. That said, it's worth mentioning a few practical considerations. While the bag is great for travel, it's a bit bulky, especially when expanded to its full size, so it might not be the best option for everyday use unless you have a lot of products. The weight can also add up, so if you're not used to carrying a lot of gear, it might take a bit of getting used to. Let's break it down with some pros and cons. On the positive side, the SHANY Makeup Artist Soft Rolling Trolley Cosmetic Case has an excellent design with plenty of space and durable materials. The multiple compartments and removable drawers are incredibly convenient for professionals who need quick access to different tools. The water-resistant exterior and weatherproof fabric are huge bonuses, ensuring your makeup stays safe. The chic summer orchid color is a nice touch, giving it a stylish and modern look. On the downside, the size of the bag might be a little too large for some users, especially if you're someone who only needs to carry a small selection of items. It's also a bit heavier than some other makeup bags, so it might not be ideal for those who prefer something more compact and lightweight. If you're a frequent traveler or a makeup artist constantly on the move, though, these may be non-issues for you. Now, is this bag worth its price? For what it offers in terms of storage space, durability, and design, I'd say it's a solid investment, especially if you're someone who needs a lot of room for your products. While there are other, cheaper alternatives out there, you may not get the same level of durability and thoughtful design. If you're looking for something compact and budget-friendly, you might want to consider smaller organizers. But for professionals, this is a pretty good deal considering how much you're getting. In terms of build quality, the SHANY trolley is solid. The materials used feel durable, and the weatherproof fabric is a nice touch that will keep your makeup safe even during travel. The shelves are sturdy, and the zippers and handles feel well made, making it clear that this bag is designed to last. The SHANY brand is known for providing high-quality products, and this trolley is no different. It's worth mentioning that the bag is safe, non-toxic, and designed with kids and teens in mind as well, which is another reason to consider it for those looking for safe and durable beauty tools. If you're in the market for something similar, there are other makeup organizers out there, but most are either smaller, less sturdy, or lack the rolling feature, which can be a deal breaker for some. If portability and versatility are your priorities, this SHANY bag stands out, especially compared to more traditional makeup bags. In conclusion, the SHANY Makeup Artist Soft Rolling Trolley Cosmetic Case is an excellent choice for makeup artists or anyone who wants to keep their beauty products organized and protected while traveling. The large size, durable construction and stylish design make it a worthwhile investment for professionals or beauty enthusiasts who need a lot of space. It may not be the best for those who only need a few essentials, but if you travel with a lot of makeup or tools, this bag is a great option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this bag, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it's worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.